Alright, what's up YouTube? Jake here. I've decided to just skip over going into like if statements and the different types of functions. I'm just going to do that in this video. And this video is the calculator video. So it might be a little longer than the past ones. But alright. So let's start this off. What we're doing is creating basic four function calculator, like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. And so what we're gonna want to do is first create like a little menu system. So we have a project already started up in CodeBlocks. So what we're gonna do is cout and then choose what operation you want. Alright, and then we're going to create a variable, int, because it's going to be an integer, and we're going to name it menu. So let's go ahead, output the different options. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then we're going to do division after this. So remember, yours doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You can do whatever you want. Alright, so there's our little menu. And oh yeah, forgot to do input. There we go. Next we're going to do if statements. And so start off by if, and then here's where you put the statement here. So menu equals 1. So, and then we're going to want to do that. So basically what this is saying is if menu equals 1, then we're going to do whatever in the brackets right here. So we're not going to fill in the brackets just yet. We're going to go ahead and finish menu. Alright. Oops. Alright, there we go. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create four functions, each for different operations. So first, we're going to declare void, and void means it's not going to return a number. So like you see int main, that means it's going to return a number, and it's just returning 0 down here. So void, we'll call it add, void sub t, void, we'll call it mult, and void divvy. Alright, so then in between the brackets here, we're going to say, alright, if it equals 1, we're going to call add. If it equals 2, we're going to call subtract. And if it equals 3, we're going to call mult. And if it ooh, I messed up right there. My bad. Change those numbers around. And if it equals 4, we're going to call divvy. Alright, then we're going to want to create these functions. So go down a bit, make sure it's outside of the main function, and go void, void add, and then void sub t, void mult, I hate that it does that. And lastly, void divi. I can't spell today. Get out of there. Alright. So here we are. We got our functions. And let's go ahead and do add. And what we're going to want to do for add is create some variables. Oops. You don't have to name your variables as I did. 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright, back. Sorry, I had to blow my nose. Anyway, what these three variables are add1, which is going to be the first number of user inputs, add2, the second number of user inputs, and then add equals, which is going to be the solution. So, enter your first number. So, and then input, and we're going to do add1. And then, oh, my cat's meowing. Output, enter your second number. Oops. And then add 2. 1 second, I gotta deal with the cat now. Okay, add 2. And then we are going to output, or hold on. Let's go ahead and change this, I forgot to do this. Int add is going to equal add 1 plus add 2. And then we're going to output add equals. And that's all. And basically you're going to want to do this for all of them. Except for subtract, you're going to want to do minus instead of plus. Or I'll go ahead and I'll go over the functions you got to do. Oh, and make sure you do a return, like just return at the end of void functions. So let's go ahead and copy all that and plug it in here. And what we're going to want to do is just change the names of these variables to mult1, mult2, sorry, I had to sneeze, and mult equals mult1 plus, or for gosh, I messed this up. For subtraction, you're going to want to do a minus sign. Let's go ahead and change all this stuff because I messed this up. For some reason I thought we were in the multiplication section. So, my bad. Just change all these back. Alright, so there we go. Sub 1, sub 2, sub equals, and that equals sub 1 minus sub 2. And we're going to change the name of these variables. And that's basically it. You're going to want to do that for for multiplication division. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I will come back when I already have multiplication division filled out. Alright, so here we are. We have it finished. For multiplication, you're going to want to use the star where it's above the 8, and you're going to want to use a / for division. So we've got everything set up as it should be, and that's it. That's a basic 4-function calculator. I can build it, and I have no issues, see? But I cannot run it because for some reason I'm on a different computer, and it can't. It's denying me permission to run the exe. But you guys should be able to run it. If you have any issues, just post them in the comments, and I'll address it. Alright, thanks for watching. Next episode, not sure what it will be. I'll think about it. Like if you enjoyed the video.